This is called freedom. Cold dark sky and the wind blowing gently through the trees. Me and my gun on the four-wheel drive held the rain over the place I'd rather be. I am a hunter, and it runs through my blood. I am a hunter, born and raised in the woods. I am a hunter, and I hunt to survive. Through God's grace, I know He will provide. Yes, through God's grace, I know He will provide.
Going, guys. Made it down here to Arkansas to the old deer camp. Fixing to go down here and be sure the rifles are still zeroed in. We start hunting tomorrow morning, 3-day hunt, hog and deer. Me and my granddaddy down here, we're gonna see if we can make something happen. There's a couple other people down here on the hunting club too, and if they get something, I'll be sure to show y'all that. Y'all hang around with us. It's gonna be a good 3 days. I'll probably cut up in different videos to keep y'all guessing. But appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all in a minute down at the shooting range. How's it going, guys? First morning in Arkansas. Done seen 3 does and a spike. Nothing else. Cool morning. Watching a lane down this way, and there's also a short lane behind me. I ain't seen nothing else, but we're gonna hang in there and see if we can make something happen. A lot of people hunting this morning in the club. A lot of people. So maybe somebody will get something. But y'all just stick around with me. See if we can make something happen. going, guys? Day one, afternoon hunt in a different spot. Ended up seeing 5 does and 3 bucks this morning. 2 of them were legal bucks, but not big enough for me. Come down here to a different spot on a gravel roadway, and long, full of pine trees, pine thicket back here, long lane this way. Just gonna see if we can make something happen this afternoon. Could have shot this morning. It just wasn't what I was looking for. Had a guy at camp kill one. I'll post a pic. And said he was chasing. So, see if we can make something happen. Y'all hang around with me. Alright, guys, ended up seeing that last deer at light. Seen 2 does. They literally come down the center lane and came right here next to the blind. Seen deer. Didn't shoot, could have shot a doe. That's the end of day one. Next time y'all see us, we'll be somewhere else hunting for day 2. Y'all hang around and something's gonna happen. We'll see y'all on the next one.